God is saying to you today. You may think what you think is the best for you. And you may plan a lot of things to achieve them. Sometimes your plans may work out. Sometimes your plans may make you think it's a waste of time because of the time it's taking. Sometimes the plan may not work in the way you think, but it will end up with a new blessing you never thought you would get. So, if you did not get what you think you needed, do not be anxious about it. Instead, pray about it to me, have faith in me, and remember I have a plan for you. Trust me, I know what I am doing in your life. You will know when you get the blessing that I have planned for you. Then, you will know everything that you have gone through, or happened in your life was worth it. Remember, the one who has sent you, the one who has started something in your life has a plan, especially for you. You only need to have faith in me. Remember, I am your Father, you are my child. I love you. God is saying to you today, may not be knowing why you had to wait for certain things. You may not be knowing why certain things have happened in your life. You may not be knowing why you received the things that you do not desire in your life. You may not be knowing why you felt your life was meaningless. You may not be knowing why you felt alone even when I was with you. You may not be knowing why I had to face a lot of struggles in your life. But you keep on believing I have plans for everything happening in your life. You are yet to see more blessings out of everything. Everything happens for a reason and a purpose. Trust in me. God is saying to you today. Some things happening in your life may be making you worry about your life. Do you remember that you have surrendered your life into my hands? If you remember that, then have faith in me. I know what I'm doing in your life.